Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, The World of Literature. This is the eighth video in the series of Dalit literature. In this video, I will talk about Baburao Bagul. The topic today is Identity Crisis in Baburao Bagul's novel When I Hid My Caste. Marathi literature has contributed to the making of literary tradition in India. बाबूराव बाबुल's collection of short stories जेव्हा मी जात चोरली होती or When I Hid My Caste was published in 1963. Bagul believed that only Dalit literature has the revolutionary power to accept new ideas to bring about change. Baburao Bagul, 1932 to 2008, was the Marathi writer from Maharashtra, a pioneer of modern literature in Marathi and an important figure in late 20th century. His book जेव्हा मी जात चोरली होती or When I Hid My Caste is a seminal work in Dalit literature. The book is an autobiographical novel that explores the author's experience with caste based discrimination and his struggle with identity. It is a powerful account of his life from his childhood in a small village to his education and career as a writer. The story revolves around a young Dalit boy who struggles to come to terms with his caste identity. Growing up in a small village of Maharashtra, he faces brutal caste based discrimination and humiliation. He is denied access to the village well because of his caste. He was forced to drink water from a separate well made for the untouchables. The teacher publicly humiliates him. He feels ashamed and angry. In college, he hides his caste to avoid discrimination. He adopts a new identity, concealing his true self from his colleagues and friends. However, he is eventually discovered and teased by his classmates. Even in the job interview, he is forced to hide his caste and reveal his identity, but he struggles with his own identity, feeling torn between two selves by hiding his caste. He grapples with shame and anger and self doubt. Through a series of poignant and powerful events, he comes to realize that his true strength lies in embracing his Dalit identity. He begins to write about his experiences, using his words as a weapon against caste oppression. Finally, he finds solace in his writings. He emerged thus as a powerful voice against caste based discrimination, refusing to hide his caste any longer. The book, When I Hid My Caste, had a powerful impact on Dalit literature as the book exposed caste based atrocities, sparking important conversations about social justice. The book is also a powerful exploration of identity, oppression, and resistance, offering the glimpse into the lives of the Dalits in India. The book inspired generation of Dalit writers to share their own experience and perspectives. It also challenges the dominant narrative of Indian society, offering a powerful counter narrative that centers on Dalit experience. Thanks, dear friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.